Hi buddies! Welcome to my channel. Now we are going to find out how to install the Usitility on PC so we can begin to play with mouse and keyboard on a large screen. There is no need to keep the eyes on a small screen, but it's the time to experience Usitility on PC. You're watching it on the screen, and you'll discover how it is running. Now we should do it. A URL is given in the video description or perhaps in the first pinned comment. You will find this link. Simply click it, it will lead you to this page of BlueStacks Usitility. Install Usitility on your PC by using BlueStacks. BlueStacks is a fantastic program to download virtually any Android game on a large screen. Simply click on Download Usitility for PC, and this game will be installed on your laptop. Here it is, BlueStacksInstaller.exe. We click this file to start it. Windows 10 might require permission. To continue installing, simply accept the terms. To view the game installer, it's better to minimize the internet browser in this way. Now I'm going to choose the directory for the installation of this game. The directory is often picked simply by pressing Customize the installation. We just leave it as it is, we head over to Back, and we click on the Install Now option. This file is tiny and will be downloaded within no time at all. The net speed determines the downloading. It will then set up the emulator on your desktop. Look, the file is installed. This is the first time it'll open BlueStacks, so it's going to make some configurations, which it's only going to do this time. The rest of the times it's not going to take too long to launch. This specific action is essential. We need to log in to Google Play. We will click Sign In. When you click it, you will be asked to type in the necessary information to log into Google Play. You cannot still install the game without sign in because it's a Google Play game. Like we've discussed, we will enter in email and also password to get access to Google account. We have now logged into it, and it welcomes us. We will need to accept the terms. We click on I agree. It asks for creating a backup of our system in the cloud storage, but we do not require it, so we press No. We just accept it, and will quickly go to Google Play. Only hit this particular arrow to exit the emulator and go to your desktop. Note that the two icons are now being exhibited here that are BlueStacks and also BlueStacks multi-instance. Simply click BlueStacks to start the BlueStacks application. Now, let us finally install this game on computer. We will have to visit Google Play for installing Usitility. Google Play will also require you to set up the account as well as the payment method. We are not going to buy anything at all. Usitility is being downloaded, have patience. Depending on your internet connection, it takes more or even less time. Since it will take a couple of minutes to download, so I will cut this part in the video tutorial. Thus, it's now done downloading, and as you can observe, it has now created one more icon on the desktop, Usitility, which will let us connect to the game without needing to go to the BlueStacks. Starting the game on PC is now very simple, just click this icon twice and there you go. We might begin to Usitility directly from here, but I am going to demonstrate how to do this if we start BlueStacks. We are going to click this BlueStacks icon to start the game. You may also modify the settings of the keyboard from here. We will keep it at the default, we close it. Firstly, I would like to explain how there are two big screen methods. This is to maximize the emulator. You will get full screen having a border. It would not be a 100% full screen. By pushing F11, you'll get 100% full screen for the game. When you start playing in full screen setting, you will be able to better concentrate on the game. Depending upon the power of your PC, Usitility could be more or less fluid, since this is an emulator and requires a great deal of power. Let's now quickly look over how you can alter the language of the game. To change the language, select this cogwheel and hit on Preferences. There are various languages accessible to this game. See, this is how I have altered the language. Finally, I am done with the installation of the game. If this video was useful for you, then subscribe to the Usitility channel, and we will come with new stuff. Thanks to you for watching the video, and see you in a new video. Bye.